So, out from Goodwill Gorham, Pink Day, so $1.50 for this sushi kit roller thingy. It's kind of taped together. I mean, part of it doesn't look used, but you know, sometimes they'll get things too that the packing might have been bad on them or something. So let's see if we can untape this. It's going to fight me every moment. Yeah, see what's happened is the little zipper doesn't work. So it probably has been used, but not a biggie. This Goodwill and Gorham, I usually think, although I didn't notice it today, they tend to have a higher percentage of new things. So we've got the, you know, the roller, but we have the instructions. And it says it's Delami, maybe. One fish is saying, "Where are we going to eat tonight?" Sushi, no doubt. She's now rolling it every day. So there's hardly any information on here, but it has a raster code. So we can go to that and get the beginner's guide to making sushi. So I couldn't resist that since it was half price. And then for the daughter and granddaughter in Germany, we're going to read How Do Dinosaurs Get Well Soon? 95 cents. That was a different color code, so there we go. What a messy day today. Tomorrow, they're predicting it's going to go up to 75, so it's going to be a busy day for trick-or-treaters. The weather is definitely going to be good. Bye.